Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Om and this week I'm recreating an audio wave. Let's get started. However, before I start, last week I launched a title sequence competition. Don't forget to enter it. I've had some entries and they're amazing, but don't forget to enter it. I look forward to them. So, open up After Effects and create a new comp. Make sure it's HD 1920 or by 1080 and 25 frames per second. I'm going to now import an audio file and drag and drop this. From here, I'm going to create a new solid and search in the effects panel for audio spectrum and drag and drop this onto the solid layer. In the effects control panel on the solid layer, I'm going to change the following settings. For audio layer, I'm going to click on the drop down menu and search for the source, which is the audio layer. I'm going to move the start and end points to either end of the screen, change the end frequency to 2000, change the end frequency band from 64 to 606, maximum height from 480 to 2420, audio duration from 90 to 30, and keep the thickness as 3. You can change these to suit your settings, but once you're happy with the settings, go back to the effects panel and type polar coordinates and drag and drop this onto the solid. This will turn your audio line into a circle. I'm going to go back to the effects panel and type 4 color gradient and drag and drop this onto the solid. I'm happy with the colors, so I'm not really going to change it. I'm going to go back to the effects panel and search for glow effect and drag and drop this onto the solid. I'm just going to change the intensity here to 2. Once you're happy with the settings, click on the solid layer and duplicate this by holding Ctrl or Command plus D. On the top layer, I'm going back and changing the following settings. Change the frequency band to 150, change the max height to 2320 and the audio duration to 140. I'm going to change the thickness to 1.7. The last thing I'm going to add here is CC light burst from the effects panel and change the intensity from 100 to 400 and then move this layer underneath the solid. I'm going to rename this as light burst. What I want now is the audio wave to reveal a video layer underneath. To do this, I'm going to drag and drop a video file underneath the layers and scale this up by pressing S on the layer. Then, from here, click and highlight both the solid layers and right click and click on pre-comp and then hit OK. Now we can change the track matte drop down menu. If you can't find this, click on the toggle switch modes button at the bottom and it'll reveal it. Click on the drop down menu and select Alpha Track Matte. Alpha Matte is a professional term for masks, where it takes anything that is black and replaces it and leaves anything that is white in. In this case, the waves are going to reveal the layer behind it. And you're done! Simple as that. Obviously, change the settings to what you prefer. Thanks for the support, guys. As always, hit the like and subscribe button and I'll see you next week.